I set my volume to maximum, but the sound, just listen to the sound, it's very low. This is the cartridge problem. But before we proceed to the cartridge problem, make sure you test the wires or the connection of the wire. But anyway, I'm going to test these wires. This is the inside part. As I check, the pin has no connection on this ceramic cartridge. This one has connection, but these two wires, very small, tiny wire, like a hair. I will try to repair this and let's check if this cartridge still works. Before I will seal, this is now the connection. I'm using here a headphone wire, one strand of a headphone wire. The work that I've done is just only solder the connection from this pin and this pin going to the ceramic. So I'm going to place the cover. And by the way, make sure you align all the rubber damper. Now let's check this, guys. And this is the cartridge. Check this out. Let's check the sound. Now the sound is loud, unlike on the first part of the video that if I will turn the volume to a maximum, this is only the sound. There. But now, this is the maximum volume. And that's all. How to repair your cartridge, especially the ceramic cartridge. Many ceramic cartridge nowadays, it's very hard to find. So this is my technique. Hope this video helps, and as always, thanks for watching.